Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today's video will be a little different. We would be giving you a fun riddle which you can solve. And if you wish to, you could post your answer in the comment section with explanation. If your answer is right, we will mention you in our next video. So let's get started. Let's say to visit a lottery which could make you win a car. What you need to do is choose one door out of the three present. Behind one of the doors there is a car and behind the other two there are goats. Now you need to choose a door you like. Before opening your chosen door, the show's host would open another door for you, containing a goat. Now, he gives you an option to change your choice and choose the other closed door. Out of the two closed doors, one contains a car and the other contains a goat. You don't know which one is behind which door. The car can be behind any of the doors. Should you stick with your decision or not? To make the whole problem simpler, let me give an example. Let's say you choose door 1. Before you open the door, the show's host would open and show you a goat behind door 3. He now gives you an option to change your choice and choose door 2. The question is whether changing your choice is better or not. Does it even make a difference? Hint: use the concept of probability to find the solution. In our next video, we will explain the solution of the problem to you. Till then you have the time to work out the solution. Best of luck. Thanks for watching our video and please do subscribe, like and share our videos for more such fun riddles and tutorials. Please watch our other videos on coordinate geometry and quadratic equations too.